So hello everybody. Today we're supposed to rewrite this as rewrite this function of x as a power series. So the function of x is f of x is equal to cosine to the third power of x times sine of x. I'm going to be using a bit of trigonometry, so I hope you don't mind. So this is the same as cosine squared x times sine x cosine x, which is the same as 1 plus cosine of 2x over 2 times sine of 2x over 2, which is the same as 1/4 times sine of 2x plus sine of 2x times cosine of 2x. That can be rewritten as sine of 4x over 2. Now, it's already known that sine of x can be rewritten as the sum as n goes from 0 to infinity of minus 1 to the nth power of x to the power of x to the power of 2n plus 1 over 2n plus 1 factorial. Okay, so from here we can conclude that sine of 2x is equal to the sum as n goes from 0 to infinity of minus 1 to the nth power times x to the power of not x times 2x to the power of 2n plus 1 over 2n plus 1 factorial. And sine of 4x in a similar manner can be rewritten as the following. Okay, now we're going to put this into our f of x function. So f of x is 1 over 4 times the sum as n goes from 0 to infinity of minus 1 to the nth power over 2n plus 1 factorial, and of course 4 to the x 2n plus 1 and plus the sum as n goes from 0 to infinity of minus 1 to the n of 2n plus 1 factorial 2x I'm sorry, I've made a couple of small mistakes. I'm just going to correct them. Sine of 2x here. Here we have to have a 1/2, and here it's not 2, it's actually 4. 4x to the power of 2n plus 1. Okay, and this is the same as 1 over 4 times the series. We can put these two series, we can rewrite these two series as 1. Now the series of n goes from 0 to infinity of minus 1 to the nth power of 2n plus 1 factorial, and I'm just going to put a bracket right here, 2 times 2 to the nth power, I'm just rewriting this right now, plus 1 times x to the power of 2n plus 1 plus 1 over 2 times 4 to the power of 2n plus 1 times x to the power of 2n plus 1. Okay? Which is just the same as 1 over 4 times the series of n goes from 0 to infinity of minus 1 to the nth power of 2n plus 1 factorial. And now I'm just going to rewrite these twos. Now, this here can be rewritten, 2 to the power of 2n plus 1 can be rewritten as 2 times 4 to the nth power plus 4 to the power of 2n plus 1 can be written as 4 to the power of 2n, or 16 to the power of n times 4, but we have this 1/2 right here, plus 2 times 16 to the nth power, and of course times x to the 2n plus 1 power. Now we can factor out this 2. We can take these 2's and factor them out. So we'll get 1/2 of the sum of, as n goes from 0 to infinity, of minus 1 to the nth power times, I'm just going to use the regular brackets now, times 4 to the nth power plus 16 to the nth power over 2n plus 1 factorial times x to the power of 2n plus 1. So, and this is equal to our f of x. So this is the final answer to this problem. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, leave a thumbs up button and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one, and